Figma stock analysis price predictions for Monday next week. Not just Monday, but for the next upcoming week. I'm going to show you my exact bias and whatnot. And all I will be sticking to, by the way, just for context, is going to be my strategy that I have refined over 5 years, every single day for 5 years, and 45,000 videos made. I've collected a lot of data just to see, what's working. And overall, looking at Figma, only if I see a full-on candle close above 91 bucks, am I actually gonna look to take things further up in that be a bullish range. Because now, bro, we are in a bearish one, and I got 2 sells in a row. The first one was a break even, and this second one delivered. And here is the proof, just so you don't think that I'm lying. Right? There you go. And this was made like 3 days back. So ultimately speaking, this is obviously not financial advice, do your own due diligence, but it's a bearish market still. I just need to see $90 break in order for me to be bullish. But other than that, I'm totally fine with doubling down on the sell side. So stay tuned. I just need more candles basically, and more time needs to pass. Since market is closed, I need to wait for the market opening. So if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, Ninja.